What if your rack protection could do more than simply protect? What if it could monitor, alert, control, and respond from anywhere in the world, directly with the unit or through any third-party control system? Introducing the Thor RF11iQP Prodigy Rack Guard Remote. The RF11iQP includes all the proven protection technologies found in the RF11P or the RF11 Prodigy Rack Guard. The RF11P has industry-leading surge protection that is patented and includes our non-sacrificial surge technology, boasting unlimited joules, less than 1 nanosecond response time, and our advanced dynamic active tracking filtration technology for mission-critical reliability. The RF11iQP continuously filters electrical noise and interference, ensuring cleaner power to connected IT and AV networks and other automation equipment. There are a total of 11 protected and filtered outlets housed in a compact 1RU design. What makes the RF11iQP truly different is its remote control function. There are a total of 8 controllable ports. 7 controllable ports on the front and another port for the 4 IEC outlets on the rear of the product. Remote control allows each port available to be individually turned on or off from a web browser or smartphone anywhere in the world. This feature enabling service technicians to control equipment without visiting site. If a power interruption, reboot, or surge-related issue occurs, the RF11iQP can immediately send email notifications, giving technicians early warning before a customer even picks up the phone. Advanced outlet management includes soft start technology for controlled power-up, outlet naming for easy network identification, programmable delays and automatic outlet restart functions. The RF11iQP is designed for professional integration, supporting Crestron XIO Cloud, other multiple brand drivers, SNMP monitoring, and HTTP command control. It seamlessly fits into modern automation and managed network environments. OTA, or over-the-air firmware updates, allow the RF11iQP to seamlessly keep up to date. Front panel protection indicators provide instant visual confirmation that both the Australian and IEC outlet remain fully protected. The RF11iQP is more than a rack power guard. It's surge protection, advanced filtration, remote monitoring, and intelligent power control in a single professional solution. Protect it, filter it, monitor it, control it. The RF11iQP from Thor Technologies. Professional rack power protection redefined.